Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials, and in this video we will see how to install the Jenkins in Windows 11 operating system. So let's start. First we have to install the Java JDK in your system. So for the Jenkins Java JDK 17 version we require. So let's see first Java is available or not. So for that open your command prompt and type Java hyphen hyphen version. So I have a Java version which is 23, and for the Jenkins it is required the 27 to 21 only. So we need to install Java JDK as well. For that open your favorite browser and search for Java JDK. Now you will get the official website from the Oracle. So this one is the website. Just click on this link, and here we have to download it for the Jenkins, and it is compatible only for the uh, 21 or 17. So here you can see we have the 23 and 21, so we'll go with the 21. Then go to Windows, and here we are installing for the 64-bit. So just click on this link, so it will start downloading. Now let's wait till download complete. So we have completed the download. Now let's install it. For that, just open it. Now click on next. So this is the path where your Java JDK 21 will be stored. Then click on next. So it will start installing. So we have installed it. Now let's set the environment variable path. For that, just go to that path where we have stored. So it is in C drive, program files, then Java, and here we have the 21 version of Java JDK. So just open the bin folder and copy path from here. Now go to start and search for environment variable. Just open it. Now here select the environment variables. Then in system variable we have to set path. So select path from the system variable. Click on edit. Then click on new and just paste your path here and click on OK. And so we have installed the Java JDK. Now we have to install the Jenkins. For that, open your favorite browser and search for Jenkins download. Now you will get the download and deploy the Jenkins. This is the link for it. So click on this link. Now here we have the download option. Click on download and scroll bit. So we have the Jenkins 2.47, the version of Jenkins, and we are installing it for the Windows. So we'll select the Windows one. So it will start downloading automatically. If it does not start, you can just click here on the link and you can download. So you can see it is started. So we have already installed it. It is an just uh, 98 MB file, so it will download. Now just open this downloaded file, so you can see to install. Now you will get the welcome window. Here click on next. So this will be the path where your Jenkins, all Jenkins files will be stored. You can change here, but as of now I'm just keeping it as it is. Click on next. Now here we have the two types. One is run service as local and run service as a local system. So for this we need the account and password. So we'll go with the first one. For that we don't need any account or any password. Then click on next. Now this is the port for Jenkins. So it is 8080. Let's test it to check it is available or not. So you can see we got a green tick. So this port is available. We can use that. Now click on next. Now here we have to say select our Java JDK path. So you can see here Java 21 and 17 is supported for Jenkins only. So we have downloaded the 21. So let's select the path. So it is in our C drive. Just select path till bin and click on next. Now here have the Jenkins components. We'll keep it as it is. Now click on the next and click on install button. So it will start installing. Now it is installed successfully. Click on finish. Now open Chrome browser and here search localhost 8080. You have to search localhost colon 8080. So it will move to the Jenkins. So now you can see it is moved to Jenkins. Now here we need the administrator password. For that we need to just copy this. Then go to your C drive where we have the Jenkins and just paste this path here and click enter. So you will get this window. Now here we have to select the notepad to see password and just open it. Now just copy this password and paste it here. Now click on continue. I'm not going to save this password. Now here it is asking us to install the plugin. So we'll select install suggested plugins and it will start automatically installing all the plugins required for the Jenkins. So let's wait. So we have required install required all the plugins. So four are there which is not installed. So it will not require. Now click on next. Now here you have to enter your or you can create your admin user. So let's create. You have to enter all your information. Now click on save and continue, or you can just skip it. Now this is the URL. Now click on save and finish, and you can start with your Jenkins. So this is the page. From here you can create a job, you can set up and use agent, you can configure a cloud. So in this way you can install the Jenkins in Windows 11 operating system.